Hi guys, it's me, and today we are checking out an audio upgrade that can completely transform the way your TV sounds. If you want to buy this Furrion LLC 110217 2.1 channel 2-zone soundbar speaker, then please visit the link provided in the description. Most televisions today look amazing with ultra-thin displays and sharp picture quality, but the audio system built inside them usually falls short. That is where a dedicated soundbar can make a huge difference. The Furrion 2.1 channel 2-zone soundbar is designed to deliver fuller sound, deeper bass, and much clearer audio without the complexity of a full home theater system. Starting with the design, the soundbar has a clean and minimal look that blends easily with modern entertainment setups. The slim body allows it to sit comfortably under a TV or mount neatly in your media area without taking up too much space. The build quality feels solid and durable, which is important for a device that is meant to be part of your long-term entertainment system. One of the standout features is the 2.1 channel speaker configuration. This setup combines two main speakers with a dedicated low-frequency system that delivers stronger bass. Because of that, audio feels more dynamic and balanced compared to standard TV speakers. Voices become easier to understand, background music feels richer, and action scenes gain a noticeable boost in energy. Another impressive aspect is the 2-zone audio capability. This feature allows sound to be distributed across different listening areas, giving users more flexibility depending on their setup. For example, you might have one audio zone playing inside the living space while another area receives audio at the same time. That kind of flexibility makes this soundbar stand out compared to many basic soundbar systems. Setup is also very straightforward. The system supports multiple connection options that allow it to integrate smoothly with TVs and other entertainment devices. Once everything is connected, the improvement in sound quality becomes instantly noticeable. Watching movies with this soundbar creates a much more immersive atmosphere. Sound effects become more detailed, background scores feel more cinematic, and dialogue stands out clearly even during intense scenes. It gives your living room a more theater-like experience without requiring complicated speaker setups. Music performance is another strong point. The soundbar produces balanced audio that works well with different types of music. Whether it is pop, electronic, rock, or podcasts, the sound remains clear and enjoyable. The bass response adds warmth and depth while still keeping vocals and instruments easy to hear. The integrated bass system also helps keep the overall setup simple. Instead of adding a separate subwoofer somewhere in the room, the soundbar handles the low-frequency performance internally. This means fewer cables, less clutter, and a cleaner-looking entertainment area. Another advantage is convenience. Once the soundbar is installed, it becomes an effortless part of everyday entertainment. Switching between movies, streaming services, or music happens seamlessly while the soundbar continues to enhance the overall experience. Sports fans will also appreciate the upgrade in audio clarity. Stadium atmosphere becomes more exciting, commentary is easier to follow, and crowd reactions feel much more immersive. It adds energy to live events and makes them more enjoyable to watch at home. Gaming is another area where better audio can make a big difference. Sound effects become more detailed, environmental audio feels more realistic, and the additional bass adds intensity to gameplay moments. It helps create a deeper level of immersion while playing games on a console connected to the TV. Overall, this soundbar offers a strong combination of performance, convenience, and versatility. It provides a simple way to dramatically improve TV audio while keeping the setup clean and easy to manage. For anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment experience without installing a full speaker system, the Furrion LLC 110217 2.1 channel 2-zone soundbar speaker is definitely a product worth considering. And if you want to buy this soundbar, then make sure to check the purchase link provided in the description.